Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Canvas Gradebook, where we will be reviewing the features as well as how to use it in general. To start off, let's take a look at entering grades in the Gradebook. The first way that we can do it is click on the submitted item, which is indicated by this icon here showing a paper and an exclamation point. We can click that and simply enter the grade that we would like to give the student. This method works great for in-person submission. However, for online submission, you may want to use SpeedGrader instead. To access SpeedGrader, you can access the assignment menu by clicking these three dots, and then just click SpeedGrader. Within SpeedGrader, you can enter a grade by simply clicking in this box here and entering the grade. If you would like to use your rubric to grade, it will appear here. For instructions on using a rubric in SpeedGrader, please take a look at our rubrics in SpeedGrader video. Once we go back to the gradebook, we can refresh, and we will see that a grade has now been entered. Now let's take a look at some of the features that the Canvas Gradebook has to offer. The first thing that we'll take a look at are the statuses. To access the status menu, all you have to do is click where you would enter a grade in the gradebook, and then select this rectangular box with a right-hand arrow in it. Once we click that, it will open up this menu here where we can set the status for this particular assignment. In this case, we can see that there is no assignment that has been submitted, so we'll go ahead and click missing. Additionally, you can leave comments on the assignments from within the gradebook here. To navigate between assignments for individual students, you can click the left or right arrow on either side of the assignment name. Or to navigate between students, you can click the left or right arrow on either side of their name. The next thing that we'll take a look at is the late policies. With the Canvas Gradebook, you can choose to automatically apply a grade for missing submissions by clicking this checkbox here. From here, we can enter in the score that we would like to give students with missing submissions. Once we click Apply Settings, we will see that a 0 has been entered in this box that has been marked as missing. The next thing that we'll take a look at is the automatic late policy. To set an automatic late policy, you can do so by clicking this box and then entering the deduction that you would like to take from the final score for the student. So we'll say 10%. And then you can do the deduction interval by clicking in this drop-down menu here. So we can choose between days or hours. So for now, we'll go ahead and leave this at days. And then finally, we can enter a lowest possible score if we would like to do so. Once we click Apply Settings, we can see that these two assignments that were turned in late have been deducted by 10% for being 1 day late. They are indicated as late with the blue status color. The last gradebook feature we will take a look at is the Message Students Who option. To access it, we can click on the assignment menu, which is indicated by the 3 dots to the right of the assignment, and then we click Message Students Who. We can choose to message students who have not submitted yet, have not been graded yet, scored more than a certain value, or scored less than a certain value. In this case, we will go ahead and only message students who have not submitted yet. The message will automatically select the students who it should be sending to based on this criteria. To see the students who will receive the message, you can click Show All Recipients, at which point we can see the student who will be receiving it. You can choose to remove those students by clicking on the X next to their name. The subject line will automatically be filled in based on the criteria that you have selected for the drop-down box earlier, and then you can enter in a message. Once we click Send, the message will go straight to their Canvas inbox. Thank you and have a great day.